All right, you guys, we're off on our 2-week trip to Iowa to get my youngest son married off, Jacob. Anyway, here we go. Hey, you guys, check this out. I'm on the moon. This is part of the Painted Desert here north of, well, almost at Tuba City. We are about an hour and a half north of Flagstaff on 89. Yeah, this stuff just goes on for miles and miles. Very, very, very cool. It's just, it's dirt, really. You can see the different colors in it. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, goes on for miles. Anyway, I thought you guys might like to see that. Hi there. Yeah. Okay, is it okay if I film you and ask you questions? Okay. Hey guys, we're at this place called Dinosaur Tracks here. It's just a little bit north of, still a Painted Desert. Hello.
Good morning. How are you folks doing?
Good, good. We don't have masks. We'll keep distance.
Yeah. You can go with Brianna. She'll be your tour guide, and I'll start from.
Over on this side over here? Okay.
That's where they're at over there?
Yeah, just follow her.
Oh, follow her. Okay.
Yeah. What's that, kind of like a pterodactyl?
Here, this is the Dilophosaurus footprint.
Dilophosaurus? Yeah, pretty cool.
And then here, this is the Oviraptor.
Wow. So are those, so they kind of look like the raptor things? Yeah. Gotcha. Sorry guys, I'm getting used to this this new gimbal. Hopefully it's a little smoother for you walking.
And this dinosaur poop.
Really?
Yeah.
Dinosaur poop, really?
Okay, so apparently this is dinosaur poop. I don't want to touch it.
Petrified. Sounds almost hollow.
Petrified dinosaur poop. Yeah. What we got here?
And on this side's the Utahraptor.
Utahraptor?
Yeah.
So is this like a baby one, this little one?
And then here, this is the Pteranodon. This is the four-toed dinosaur.
Huh. It's a good idea to point it out with the water too. Whoa, that's a big one.
Oh my god. Go to the other side.
What's this one? T-Rex. Put your foot in there, Lisa. Just to show them the how big that is. Now this is Navajo Nation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the vegetation.
Oh, by the way, that's vegetation. Yeah, this is a Navajo Nation, and this is 2020, August of 2020, and they got hit pretty hard with the virus.
65 million years old.
65 million years old. That's Dinosaur Tracks for you guys. Hope you like that. We got another one coming up here next, not too far away, called Elephant. What's the next one called? Huh? Elephant what?
Next one's called
Elephant Rock.
Feet.
Elephant Feet. we're gonna see next. Okay, did we bring you Quirky or what here? What do those look like? What do they look like? Yeah, elephant feet. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. There's 2 elephant feet here. You're gonna come over here so we can get a size reference, right?
Yep.
Look at this. We just gave you dinosaur tracks. And apparently they had huge elephants back then. Or I guess that would have been a mastodon. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah. This is going to be a quirky trick. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this trip. What do you think of that?
Pretty cool. It looks like an elephant foot.
It does look like an elephant foot.
Kind of crazy. Could come around the corner, and there they are, right here by the road.
Yeah, hopefully this wind isn't getting too much here. Okay, well, let's go find our next Quirky. Okay, now we're gonna spend a night in Durango and look for Quirky stuff there. And then tomorrow we're gonna get up, take our time. We're taking our time on this trip. Oh gosh, I bet the wind is horrible. But yeah, we're taking our time on this trip, and there's this Bishop's Castle we're gonna show you by Pueblo, and whatever else we can find. So keep watching. Okay, you guys, this is weird. Look at this. It looks like a grain bin over there, and it's probably a little too far for. Cars. Anyway, it looks like a grain bin there. Look at this. There's like a pipe. And it comes up. If anybody knows what this is. I'm gonna it goes up and over the hill. So I don't know. Wait a second, let's see what this says. Okay. That says Peabody Western Coal Company. Huh? Would it have something to do with coal? I don't know. You guys research and let me know, and I'm gonna look too. Hi, you guys. So we're in Durango. Looks like there's a special event going on here. We're gonna go check into the hotel. Yeah, we're staying in a hotel. We didn't bring Junebug this time. It's just this trip would just be too much for Junebug. That's why we want to get a Class C or something, just something bigger. To full-time RV. Anyway, I will show you a little more a little later. We're gonna go check in. Here we are at this the Derailed Poorhouse. We just had some appetizers and some jalapeno poppers. They were good. We're gonna head down the street somewhere else. Okay, here's something quirky here. What is this? I guess the Durango Apple Store. So, yeah. Okay, guys, we're at a new place here, which I will show you here in a minute. But I told Lisa, and it wasn't her fault. I was going to show you these burgers. This is actually a steak sandwich. She had a great burger before we destroyed them, or in the process of destroying them. So anyway, yeah, I see that. See that? This place is called Carver Brewing Company. It was good. I think it needs a little seasoning. The server has been really good, but they are on the verge of greatness, like what we were talking about. But I'll bet you that Dinosaur right there is made by the same person as that cow. here's the dinosaur. Okay, yeah, Durango.
Alright, do this one.
Durango.
Okay, so that wrapped up our day to Durango and our evening in Durango. This. I'll show you where the Dinosaur tracks, and you can see it's about 7 hours from Phoenix to Durango, and we just came up to 17, and then this State Route 89, and it was about right here before we turned east, where I got out and was the Painted Desert, and then it was really just so you're going east on 160, and right here is the Dinosaur tracks. Check that out, and they go by donations. So when she was done with the tour, I gave them a donation, paid her just up the road here. I don't remember how many miles, but okay. So the Dinosaur tracks were before Tuba City, shortly after you turn east on 160, and then I'm guessing maybe a half hour. But the town of Tonalea, you'll pass that, and then the Elephant Feet area will be on your left, just past there, and then we just cruised on into Durango. Tomorrow we're going to head to Pueblo, and we're going to visit this Bishop's Castle and whatever else we can find along the way. So stay tuned for the next video. That's going to be a fun one. God bless you guys. Check out my Amazon associate link in the description for anything you might need from Amazon, and we will catch you headed to Pueblo.